Hello, Avishya fans and handloom saree lovers. Today is World Vegan Day, and on this day, I'd like to greet and a big shout out to all vegan lovers and vegan followers throughout the world. And I'm happy to tell you that Avishya has put together a lovely collection of vegan sarees, especially for our vegan saree lovers. So I'll take you through our collection one by one. We have a wonderful collection in handloom, handcrafted sarees. Using vegan material, woven using vegan material. So I am sure every vegan lover will be able to find a lovely saree from the Avishya collection. Let's start off with Modal Silk. Modal Silk, we have a collection of Bandhani modals and we have a collection of Ajrak Modal Silk sarees. Modal it's extracted from wood-based cellulose. Wood-based cellulose is extracted is basically from the beech tree, which is available in abundance, and the beech tree consumes very little water, available in healthy quantities. So that is the base from which the wood fiber is extracted and the cellulose is extracted, and from that cellulose is what Modal Silk is made. And Modal Silk is regarded as a highly beautiful fabric with lovely luster and drape and fall, and very top fashion labels throughout the world use Modal Silk for designing their garments. And at Avishya and in the handloom industry in India has adopted Modal Silk in a big way. And as you can see, here you have a beautiful collection of Modal Silk bandhanis and intricate designs in different colors. There's a green, there's a lovely deep purple, there is a magenta, there is a coffee brown, there is a lovely navy blue, and many more. I've just kept 4 or 5 sarees here for your, just for you to take a look. So this is a Modal Silk bandhani collection. Then we come to our Ajrak collection in Modal Silk. We have beautiful patterns in Ajrak. As you can see, there's a rust color, there is a lovely deep maroon color with a black border, and then as you go down you can see there's a beautiful black saree, and there is another beautiful rust brown and blue, beautiful indigo blue combination. There's another black and indigo blue combination, and a lovely olive green and black combination here. So we have a lovely, again, it's just 4 or 5 sarees I'm showing you. There is more here. Lovely Ajrak Modal Silk sarees. So this is about Modal Silk. We'll next go on to the next vegan fabric of the day, which is Organza. Organza, as you know, has always been very glamorous, very stylish, very trendy, and originally Organza used to be made from silk. Now, the vegan saree line that we have has Organzas, which is made from synthetic material. It's made from nylons and polyesters. It's come out beautifully, and lovely hand embroidery and handwork is possible. Here you can see beautifully embroidered vegan organza saree. This is a lovely dark grey in which beautiful floral embroidery is there and edging and scallop finish. This entire collection is like that. Scallop finish borders, beautiful floral booties throughout, and then of course in different colors. You have this deep bluish grey. You have this lovely chocolate brown, and then you have this lovely beautiful olive green, black. There's a lovely black as well. So this is the collection of organzas. There's one more beautiful retro collection organza which we have. This is also vegan organza. Lovely retro collection. This entire collection is a wonderful series of designs, geometric, abstract, all in black and white. A very retro look. Beautiful geometric, some floral as well. Beautiful collection. This is again a very abstract design. One more floral design. This is a geometric pattern, and to end with a lovely floral pattern as well. If you like retro and you like organza and you're a vegan, this is a fantastic collection to go for. Next, we'll move to the organza collection, which has got beautiful embroidery on top, and it's got lovely threadwork kind of finish throughout the saree. Beautiful sequin work, which is accentuating all the thread work. If you come closer, you can take a look. It's beautiful sequence, and this is a lovely tissue organza. So it's really, the tissue and the sequins and the embroidery together has a fabulous look. This is again a stunning collection which we brought specially for Diwali, and of course it's got a beautiful zari edging as well at the edge of the saree. So in this collection we have this lovely beautiful pastel green. We have a lovely pastel grey with the pink booties. Again a pink saree. Lovely peach color here, and then lastly there's a beautiful lovely grayish blue. with sort of teal motifs and pink motifs embroidered on the saree. That ends the the section on organza sarees. Lastly, we'll come to linens. Linens, as you know, are plant-based fabric. It's basically extracted from the flax plant. Little grainy and soft. It also dries very fast. So in humid and hot countries, linen is very, very favored because if you wear it, any amount of humidity, sweatiness, everything, it'll evaporate immediately, which is why people love linen. We have a collection of printed linens, and we also have a collection of woven and embroidered linens. So beautiful collection we have. This is a printed linen collection. This one has got a nice kind of an abstract floral motif here. Beautiful. If you see the printing, it's very intricate. It's beautifully block printed, and the blocks are so lovely and beautifully designed in different colors. This is stunning. It's a stunning black saree with beautiful floral motifs and a zari border as well. There's a nice, beautiful, bright sunshine yellow that you can see. And lastly, there's a lovely, fresh green printed linen saree with beautiful floral motifs. Coming to the woven section, woven linen section, off-white with beautiful, lovely little bird motifs, which have been beautifully hand embroidered onto the body. It's almost like jamdani work here. So this is woven linen. Then these are color blocks, tiny little jamdani motifs on the body with beautiful weaving and two colors contrast here, border and body. Nice, beautiful, plain, lovely mustard yellow with a red edging saree. There's a nice green, lime green, and then there's a bright green here. Beautiful, bright fluorescent green. There's a nice earthy, brownish orange, denim kind of a weave linen saree, and ending off with a lovely jamdani linen saree in green with lovely red jamdani work on the body. So this is the woven linen collection. We are very passionate about handloom, handcraft, and handmade fabrics and handmade sarees. So today, being Vegan Day, we wanted to highlight the fact that we have lovely modal silks, we have wonderful organzas and beautiful linens. All three are proudly vegan and can be worn, and we have a lovely collection and variety, and I'm sure every vegan would enjoy shopping for vegan sarees at Avishya. Thank you for watching.